Hey everyone, how's it going today? For today's video, I want to show you how to draw an ampersand. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. To begin with our ampersand, we're going to begin right here, a little bit above the middle of our paper. We want to make kind of like an upside down teardrop shape. So to do this, let's draw a line that goes up, it's going to curve around, and it's going to come to a little point like an upside down teardrop. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go right around here. So we'll start down here, let's bring a line right around here, and we'll come to here, leaving some space. Starting here, we're going to make a nice big curved line, kind of like a big hook. Now, starting here, let's make a line that's going to go down. It's going to come to a little bit of a point, and then it's going to come back. Starting right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down to right about here, a little bit of a diagonal. Next, we're going to bring this line up. Then you just want to bring it straight across. The next step is we're going to come right here and we're going to bring this line up at another diagonal. So we'll come right up to here. Next we'll make a line that comes over. Starting here, we're going to draw two small lines that go up. And once you're done with that, just draw a little line that comes across to connect them. I want to line up this line right here. So we're going to start right about here. And I'm just drawing the same curved line here. And the last step, let's connect these two lines with a diagonal. And there you go, there is your ampersand. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.